we're back at it again with another grilled cheese video. If you haven't already, go check out our last video where I showed you how to make a classic grilled cheese. Today we're gonna be making something really fun, and I brought a friend.
Hi guys, my name is Hunter. I'm the one that films all these videos and edits them.
All right, so with these ingredients, Hunter, I want you to take a guess, your best guess at what kind of grilled cheese we're gonna be making today.
Definitely something sweet by the looks of it.
It's definitely something sweet. Now we're gonna get into it. Okay, so we're gonna be making a dessert Peeps grilled cheese. I like to use brioche because brioche is a little sweeter than sourdough or white bread. We're gonna be using our Peeps, butter, mascarpone cheese, and Nutella. All right, so we're back with Hunter. I'm gonna show Hunter how to make this Peeps grilled cheese. Aren't you excited?
I'm so excited. I am glad you got pink because this is my favorite color. So mine's just gonna be all pink.
Okay, that works, that works. And remember, you wanna be creative. So we have some blue Peeps, we have some purple ones, some yellow ones, and pink ones. Okay, so to start off, we're using our brioche bread. We need 2 slices. Okay, I like to start off buttering my bread. Do you butter your bread?
I do butter it all over. Gotta get that nice crisp. Just kidding.
I was like, don't use your hands. I'm just kidding. All right, nice and buttery. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes when I make grilled cheese, I just throw the butter into the pan, but we're gonna see
that works too, but I feel like this really gives it a good crisp.
Yeah, you
like
make sure you
outer
spread it
shell.
evenly.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna hand you this knife.
Make sure you have your parents around, especially if you're using a knife this big.
Yes, we are dealing with fire and with knives, so it's very important to have parent supervision. Okay. Maybe it was important to, yeah. All right, next step, we're gonna go in with this mascarpone cheese. I don't really know what's the purpose of this cheese, but I heard it makes it taste good, so. Okay, so we have some Nutella, we have some mascarpone cheese. I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to...
On the opposite side, right?
Yes, on the opposite side, not the side with the butter.
Got it.
You're gonna go in and you are going to smooth your Nutella on one slice of the bread.
You like Nutella?
I love Nutella. This is my favorite. I feel like the Nutella works really well with the marshmallows and the Peeps.
Honestly, I've never had Nutella.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking.
All right, so this is Hunter's first time trying our Peep grilled cheese and Nutella.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see.
Is that a lot?
No,
Okay.
that's perfect. That's perfect.
All right. Well,
You're-
I feel like it's a lot, so here you go. Here's hoping I like it.
That is just how anyone who loves Nutella is gonna be like, add more.
That was a good first. Okay.
So next step, we are gonna put our mascarpone cheese.
It's like a sweet cream cheese, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
And we're gonna put some on our other slice of bread. This one's a little thick, so be careful with your knife. I've never had mascarpone, honestly, so we're gonna see how this goes.
I've had tiramisu, and that's what it says it's in, so maybe I have had mascarpone, but...
Probably, huh?
Yeah, probably. Whoa, it's not by itself like this. Never in a grilled cheese. But this is the
We're
part
gonna
that
see.
makes it
This
a grilled
is,
cheese,
exactly.
right?
This is the part that makes it a grilled cheese.
This is the cheese of the grilled cheese. I feel like this is a lot, and I hope I don't regret this.
It looks great. It looks great. You're gonna love it, hopefully. So now that we have our Nutella and our mascarpone cheese, we're gonna add our Peeps.
All right, I'm gonna go with these 2 colors.
Those
What
two
are you
colors?
gonna go with all of them?
I'm gonna go with all the
You're gonna do
colors.
one?
Yeah, I just want it to be crazy and
How many
fun.
Peeps do we put on there?
So you can use, I'm gonna use about like 4 to 5
Okay.
Peeps on mine just because I like mine really sweet.
Okay.
But you can use as many as you'd like because it's your first time.
Okay. I'm gonna
free.
use 4. I'm gonna do 2 and 2.
Okay, let's do it.
2 pink ones. I just put them on there like
Yep, you just put them on there.
one side.
Now you wanna make sure you fill up your whole grilled cheese sandwich. So I'm
Okay,
probably
so-
gonna do 2 and 2.
2 on each side.
Yeah, you want 2 at the
Okay.
top and 2 at the bottom.
Okay. They're like little turtle doves.
Isn't it
together.
cute? I'm so excited.
Hopefully that's good. We're just gonna
Alright, and then a
smush
pink
them down
one.
together.
Pretty much.
Okay.
That's the fun part. You want this to be fun.
Okay.
Once you have your Peeps on, you're just gonna put your other bread on. You're just gonna smash it down.
Yeah. Your hands are definitely gonna get dirty.
Definitely
during
gonna
this
get
process,
messy. So,
all right, here's my sandwich.
and here's mine. Ooh, this one looks like it's gonna be so good. I'm excited.
I'm
That's-
skeptical.
It's literally, I feel like this is gonna taste so good. All right, so remember, when you're making your grilled cheese, you wanna make sure it's on low to medium heat. And then you're just gonna throw your grilled cheese in the pan. Here's mine, nice and colorful. All right. All right, we are using a stove, so it's very important to make sure that you have parent supervision. And we're gonna cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna try them. All right, so it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna flip our sandwich. Ooh, that is how you want your grilled cheese to look. It's nice and golden brown. Ooh,
Yeah,
I'm so
that's how I
excited.
like mine.
Okay, so it's looking nice and brown on each side. We're just gonna take them out. So now that we've made our grilled cheese, we're gonna cut into it and we're gonna try it.
It smells like a pancake.
Oh, it kind of does, huh? I wonder if it'll taste like a pancake.
I wonder if it'll taste like a pancake.
All right, we're gonna try this. I have a question for you. How do you cut your grilled cheese?
I like to cut mine at like a diagonal, like that.
Oh, that's fancy.
What is this? Is this grilled? Is this grilled Peeps marks?
These are grilled Peeps parts.
This
This smells
seems
so
like it's gonna be very sticky. Oh, it gooed everywhere.
Wow, it's about the experience.
It's
really.
about the experience. You're right. Oh, that was a good cut.
All right, Hunter.
I cut mine.
I'm gonna cut mine straight down the middle. I heard it's a little easier to eat, so I'm gonna cut mine straight down the middle.
All right.
All right, are you ready?
You know why it smells like? Oh, it's hot. Make sure you wait a little bit.
Yeah,
It is
so-
very hot.
The marshmallows are gonna be very, very hot, so it's very important to give it about a minute or two to cool down.
It smells like a pancake because I believe this is the ideal bread, brioche bread, to make
Ooh,
French toast. It smells
Wow.
very sweet.
So
This is
good.
gonna be very messy as well.
I literally.
Oh, it's hot.
I know.
It's
Oh my
super
goodness.
hot, and it's very sticky.
Yeah, literally.
Should I just go?
Can I wipe my fingers off really quick? Is that okay? Would you like something? Alright, here we go. Let's try it.
Ready? Here we go.
Wow. This is probably the best grilled cheese I've ever had.
You've ever had?
Yes, the
Well-
best grilled cheese.
I'm gonna change your mind.
Mm-hmm.
Next time we're gonna make a grilled cheese that I love.
Ooh.
This is a pretty good grilled cheese if you like sweets.
Yeah, if you like sweet food, if you like French toast, if you like breakfast, this is the perfect like dessert grilled cheese for you.
It's very melty. Mine is very pink.
It's definitely a grilled cheese sandwich that the kids will love.
10 out of
is
10
great.
would recommend.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. So that concludes our grilled cheese video. Thank you, Hunter, for joining me today.
Thank you for having me. It was delicious. It was unexpectedly delicious.
Very unexpected.
Yeah.
All right, so thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment down below.
Bye, Long Beach.